Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your e-bike pedal assist has suddenly stopped providing power while you're pedaling, you're not alone. This issue can occur because of sensor misalignment, loose connections, incorrect settings, or temporary electrical glitches. Fortunately, a malfunctioning e-bike pedal assist system doesn't always mean that major repairs are required. In many situations, a few simple checks can help restore normal assistance and get you riding comfortably again. Before replacing components, it's worth trying several basic troubleshooting methods. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help fix your e-bike pedal assist that is not working properly. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the e-bike pedal assist feature is enabled in the display settings. Step 2. Make sure the battery powering the e-bike pedal assist system has enough charge. Step 3. Inspect the wiring connected to the e-bike pedal assist sensor for loose connections. Step 4. Check the alignment of the e-bike pedal assist sensor and magnet ring. Step 5. Restart the system controlling the e-bike pedal assist to clear temporary errors. Step 6. Verify that the e-bike pedal assist responds normally while pedaling.